بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. To our brother Talat Iqbal in Canada. His question is, I want to marry this Kenyan girl, but my parents are giving me issues. For what? Simply because she's not from my either country or we do not have the same culture. What can I do? If I marry the sister against my parents' will, is that acceptable? Does Islam accept that from me? Alhamdulillah, brother Iqbal, I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to bless you and that Allah provides for you the best spouse in dunya and you be together in akhirah, and this for the Muslim ummah as well. The only thing you have to do, or you can do, if you really had developed already love or caring for this sister, and you think you have to go for it, never ever do something against the will of your parents. Only if they go against Allah and His Messenger and they ask you to do something against Allah and His Messenger, that's when you do not obey them. But to do something that they do not like or they advise you and you refuse and you get married, brother Iqbal, marriage is not just coming together, you and your wife. Marriage requires a lot of things. Think about your future, you and that girl. You bringing her to your family. And from the gate, you already blocked her from your family if you marry her without your parents' children, without your parents' permission. And when you are blessed with children, what's going to happen? What will happen to their future? So you can see the only thing you have to do, remove the concept of doing something or marrying that Kenyan sister. She may be the pious in the world. I ask Allah to bless her as well. I ask Allah to bless that sister and bless her family as well. But even if she's the only pious woman in the world and your parents say no, try to figure out how to please your parents first, to accept that from you, because they serve as your parents and they remain your parents. And no matter what happens, whatever will take place, no matter what happens, you're going to go back to them one day. So children will come. Allah will bless you with some. How will you take your family to them? You may say, well, if they see that the marriage had taken place already, they will be able to understand and all. No, if issues are complicated and confused at the gate, you have to know that 90% it may go like that. Even though the idea that some parents have, the sister, she can be from Hurun Ain, so long as she is not from where you came from, brother Iqbal, from Pakistan, we don't care about it. This cultural baggage, Islam did not approve it. So do not go against your parents. Try to please them first and understand, and let her also be kind. And have your parents or have her parents to meet your parents and see how they can talk in between, because they are grown and they have understanding that you and the girl may not have, because they are older and they can see from far that which you cannot even see if you jump, and they can see it while sitting. So go back to them, try to please them, and have her parents to meet your parents and bring understanding into it. And I hope and pray Allah will make it easier for you. But to our parents who also bring that baggage into Islam, okay, it's only from your family. If Arab, he has to be Arab. If African, she has to be African. If from this tribe, she must be from that tribe. Even if she's Bengali, from Bangladesh, and he from Pakistan, they have to, all these. especially the time that we live in, or the time that we Muslims are living in right now, it's not going to favor us whatsoever. If she is kufr and he is kufr and both are compatible, bring them together. Prophet said, if not, you're just going to kindle fire in your own house. And the house set up against itself will never stand. The 16th leader said it. So brother Iqbal, may Allah bless you, but do not go against your parents. I ask Allah to bless you. If that sister is good for you, may Allah bring you and the sister together. If she's not good for you, we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to provide the best for her and the best for you. And at the end, whatever Allah plans, it's what stands. Remain blessed. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.